Good day, everyone. Apologies, I've not been able to drop for some times now. It's been hectic work so far. I'm just on a road trip trying to do some testing, and then I landed at the Glasgow Tesla Center where I need to change wiper for my Model Y Juniper 2025-26 edition. So I stumble on the Tesla Model Y dual motor 7-seaters. My question here is it worth it? The Tesla Model Y motor 7-seater combines with a all-wheel drive performance with a family practicalities. It's up to 7, although the third row is best suited for children or short journey with instant acceleration, excellent traction, and an impressive electric range. It's a great choice for family who needs a bit of a versatility without sacrificing performance. I look at the rear seat, folded it, creating generous cargo space, and then Tesla Supercharger network makes longer distance travel simple. So if you need the occasional 7-seat capacity or capability and you want one of the most efficient electric SUVs on the road, I think Model Y dual motor is a kind of a compelling option you may want to choose from. As I'll be rounding up here, the question I will be asking everyone, which I would really appreciate your contribution to this. Will you choose the 5-seaters like I do or 7-seaters? Let me know in your comment. Thank you and have a great day, everyone.